As we get closer to 31 December 2020, the end of grandfathering for non-Irish resident Irish incorporated companies, many multinational companies are assessing their IP ownership models. Section 291A relief, the IP amortisation regime, is an important element of Ireland's offering. We would like to see some simplification to the regime. Also, to the extent that there are any changes or restrictions introduced to the regime, it's important that these would be carefully considered by the Department, as it's very important that companies have certainty and that Ireland's offering remains as competitive as possible. As a number of countries introduce regimes similar to the Irish Knowledge Development Box, or KDB, it's important that the Irish regime remains competitive while still adhering to the OECD modified nexus approach. As companies assess their options, the KDB may be of benefit. Currently, the regime is due to expire by the end of 2020. In this year's budget, we would appreciate if it could signal the extension of this regime or indeed to remove the sunset provision altogether. For companies that are carrying out R&D activities in Ireland, we would encourage them to undertake feasibility studies to assess whether the KDB can be of benefit to them. As the OECD transfer pricing guidelines have been updated for BEPS Actions 8 to 10, it would be helpful if Budget 2018 signalled the potential timing of the adoption of those measures into Irish legislation. However, the country-by-country reporting provisions have already been implemented in Ireland. For companies with a 31 December 2016 year-end, those reports must be submitted by 31 December 2017. As the deadline is fast approaching, action is now required.